I choose to be happy. I choose to be free. I choose to use the gifts that were given to me. I choose to be here. I choose to give it my all. I choose to keep going even if I do fall. I choose to be happy. I choose to be free. I choose to be the best that I can be.
My name is Stephen Gray. I am the founder of the YBA, the Youth Barber Academy. We basically show kids how to become entrepreneurs through cutting hair.
My name is Candace Gray, and I'm here with the Youth Barber Academy, and we just want to give back to the youth here in San Diego. It's important to give them an out, to give them another option, that it's not just about going to college, it's not just about going to the military, but you can be an entrepreneur, you can own your own business. And so that's what really motivated us to start this Youth Barber Academy. And we don't just teach them about barbering, we also teach them things like personal development. We teach them about personal hygiene, the importance of it. We teach them customer service skills. We teach them money management, financial literacy. And so it's just an all-around program to help them in their professional lives as they go forward.
I think the main motivation is just encouraging our youth that they can be anything that they choose to be. I believe that spending time with our youth is very important because a lot of them are dealing with depression and low self-esteem. So I believe that us being involved in their lives and making and building them up is important.
Just do it. You know, if you have a heart for young people and you want to see them succeed in life, you just have to go for it. Whatever your idea is, just go for it, because they're just looking for people to pour into their lives, to be a positive influence for them, to show them that you care about them, that you care about their success. And so if that's something that's on your heart, then just go for it by whatever means. Whatever it is that you have that you can give back to them with, use that and just give to them.